This book is called
Who's Pooh?
and it's written by Daisy Bird. Who's that?
You.
And illustrated by Mariana Coppo.
Yeah.
Oh no, look at all that poo! Who's Pooh? What's he saying?
Now, what are you not going to do?
We're definitely not going to talk about poo! Time to get ready now, you two. I'm going to take you to the zoo. And you see them going, yay, trip to the zoo. But only if you're good, which means no talking about poo. Psst. What kind of poo would an astronaut do?
Shiny silver space age poo, rocket powered weightless poo, and it spins around and round like a planet does too.
Excellent. And you see, there's the shiny silver space age poo.
Yeah.
What kind of poo would that little dog do?
Tiny pink pom-pom poo. The same kind of poo that the lady would do.
I'd like to do pink pom-pom poo.
Mm.
Oh look, they're buying a newspaper for Daddy Rat.
New.
Why are they laughing?
New royal baby does a poo. Strange smell leads to evacuation.
Oh look, there's the pigeon selling the newspaper to Daddy.
Yeah.
And there's the newsstand lady and all the magazines. Now Daddy's getting suspicious here. What's all that noise about, you two?
Nothing.
Nothing. Absolutely, definitely not about poo.
Sarcastically.
What kind of poo would the head chef do?
He does gourmet poo on a big china plate. It's teensy weeny, but it takes ages to do.
And he has to arrange it in a puddle of goo. Look at it. There it is on its plate. There's the goo. Ooh, I don't like the look of the goo.
I think that's actually just soft poo that's been squished.
Do you think the balloon seller does bendy poo?
He does poo that you can twist into something new. Squeaky, bendy, blow up poo. And it bursts when you step on it with your shoe.
Oh, look, they're waiting for the bus.
And all the people look like poo. Even the clouds do too.
And here they are on the bus. Look at that man with all the tattoos. Look, there he is.
Wow.
What kind of poo would that man do?
I think he should have less tattoos, don't you think?
I think maybe he should. But what sort of poo would he do?
Inky, stinky, doesn't wash off poo with skulls and mermaids and roses too. And all kind of things that somebody drew.
And you can tell it's really stinky because there's a little fly. Bzzz.
Blech.
Blech.
I hate flies. I squash them. What kind of poo would the... no, you're supposed to do.
Oh, you can do it. You do it. You're
What
reading
kind
it
of
so
poo
well.
would the ice cream scooper do?
Really cold and squidgy poo. And it looks like chocolate ice cream.
Ew!
Daddy.
I better not heard the word poo there.
Here we are. Now we can learn all about the animals in the zoo.
Think of all the different kinds of poo.
How many different kinds of poo are there? Look at all these! There's every poo you could ever do.
I can't match them up, can you?
I can
That
match some
poo
of
goes
them.
there,
Yes.
And this poo goes there, that poo goes there, this poo goes there, this poo goes there, this poo goes there, and this... no, I've already done that one. This one goes there, and this one's spotty poo.
Excellent. 10 out of 10. What kind of poo would these reptiles do?
Chameleons do sneaky camouflage poo. They can hide it anywhere they want to.
Can you see the poo? And pythons do deadly dangerous poo. It sneaks around behind you and then it squishes you.
In its poop. That was weird now.
What kinds of poo would the penguins do?
Sparkly, frosty South Pole poo. And and they build little snow people out of it. Ew!
What kind of poo would a blue whale do? Look at the huge blue whale. Oh, look, do you see the dogfish?
It is an
And the catfish.
Like, seriously.
A giant poo! A monster poo! The biggest poo you could ever do!
Poo, poo, poo.
Now, listen. It doesn't matter who is who. It doesn't matter what you do. Poo will always look like poo.
Daddy, is that really true?
Don't we all do different poo?
You don't understand, do you? All right, come and meet the poo keeper, you two.
I want that job. Ooh, and here they are with the poo keeper in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful garden.
Well, I thought that there was some sneaky poo here.
Well, there might be. This is what they do with all the poo. It makes the trees grow and the fruits and flowers too. Take a look around at what a poo can do.
Wow, who knew?
Look at all that poo. And it's all a bit different, but it's all the same too.
That's right, now you get it. Everybody's poo just looks like poo.
So we don't need to mention it ever again, do we?
Yes, Daddy, but...
What's that up there? Something you want to say, you two?
Nope.
What's this up here?
Oh.
Oh, poo!
It's got like a lightning bolt tail. Lightning bolt
And
tail.
look, here's all the different sorts of poo.
Which one would you like to do?
I think it would be rather fun to do squeaky pink poo and pom-pom poo and snowman poo.
I just want to do that one so I can just twist it and say, you poo. You poop.
Very good.